Yeah, you can leave.
Come on, I
that
want
one
to see
open.
some ballet. Can you do some ballet? Oh, beautiful.
Your legs.
What about your legs? Oh, yeah. Good. Yeah.
Your legs, Alice. Oh, yeah.
Show the meerkat your ballet. Say, look, meerkat.
Show him your legs, ballet. Oh, lovely pirouette. What about your toes? What about your toes? Up on your toes, that's it.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Beautiful.
And your ballet legs. Oh, good job. Lean on the wall. Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
Well done.
Excellent technique.
And the other one?
Change legs. Oh,
Good
lovely.
job.
More spinning around. Spin around. Oh, lovely.
Alice, do your arms. Yay.
And take a bow.
And touch your toes. And
That's
up, 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 up. Good job.
Finish. Take a bow.
She's not finished. She'll make that call. Who do you think you are?
Who's talking to you, Daniel?
Well done.
This is all about Alice.
Tell Alice what to do, Rob. Who do you think you are? Think of she, Rob?
Oh, oh, thank
It's
you.
okay, Rob. I paused the news just for you.
What have I got here? Who's this? Who's the pink teddy? Who's this I've got? Oh, baby. Baby girl and baby boy. And this is a baby boy. Yes.
Rob, your video's too long. Your video's too long, Rob. It's not going to play. Stop the video. Who can watch all that? That's boring.
Boring? This is not boring. This is my grandchild we're talking about.
You're boring.
Oh, lovely.
I guess I think of how time consuming it is.
You say that to a man, it's just saved you $79.
Eh?
You say that to a man, it's just saved you $79.
I'll say whatever I want.
How many? That's about half a day's work for you, isn't it? At your rate.